Well, good thing I'm changing the oil. Oh, shit. Needs an oil change bad. Stupid dipstick. My pants. Okay, that one's good. I don't know why he's got it in full drive. That out. Tires look good. these days I'll get to it.
Okay. I thought you take the air horse and over to go.
No, Mom doesn't like that.
What?
She said it makes a mess.
Oh, you got it.
It doesn't. It just blows it all outside and it's gone. I don't have a dust can for out here. Yeah, actually, she's a jump. Oh, here's something. I found pieces to it. Yeah, I'm sure she does. Crackhead. These things don't like going into reverse. Does not like going into reverse. Well, it's high though. Miles an hour. Now I get the oil warmed up. See what I destroyed? Oh, I destroyed this. There we go. Cool. Alright, I'm going to try to do this one-handed, but I'm going to drain some oil here.
Actually, so you don't fucking strip something. Do this way. Come on, you rat bastard. Oh, Jesus. Okay. Move the other way. Get it? Oh. I did. I did. Oh, Jesus fucking Christ. Alright, ready? Let's do it. Sooner or later, something should be coming out. There we go. Nice pretty engine oil. Oh, fuck me. Cool. Yeah. Second thought, I'm just gonna pull it off. I was gonna put the oh, what is it called? The oil filter, but I already got it loose. We're just gonna let it rip. I don't care. Maybe these can come off. Come on, you bastard. There we go. There's the old one. Let's put the new one on. Hopefully she works. I'd say they're the same. Yeah. This one I like better because you got a wrench fitting on the end of it. Actually, I think this is the original oil filter. Yeah, this is the original oil filter on this. So let me, first off, by changing gloves, because now my hands are dirty. Okay, I got some nice 5W30 oil. I'm going to try to get this off. Of course, it's being a dick. I like how that's still dripping. That's nice. Oil on it, coat the rings. And I used fresh 5W30 oil to do that. Okay. And then I'll put the cap on because my luck, I will drop it. And now, like I just did. Oh my god, guys. I sometimes question why I'm alive. Like, how hasn't God struck me dead? You just spin it on. Okay, I'm gonna go get a wrench. 17mm nut. Let's see if it's right. you twisting thing. That's nice, but at the same time, I can really get my fat ass hands in there. Actually, let me try getting around that hose. I'm not a mechanic by any means, so... And you know your oil filter is... I know it's aluminum on aluminum. Ooh, got a little harder than that. Okay. Now, next challenge I faced was putting that cap back in. I just ripped those gloves. Oh, look at that. I can get the freaking thing in. Okay. Now I'll take my disgusting gloves off. Maybe. Get that out of the way. What did I just do with the wrench? Oh, for mother of God. I really leave it over there. Okay, now, oil's drained, so what you do after this is you pretty much start it up and you're good to go. Right, guys? I didn't do too bad with it. That's gonna drip. Probably a little bit more. Right? Oh, you gotta put oil in it? Is that why it's called the oil change? That's interesting. I never heard of this oil change. Did you guys hear about it? Okay. Okay, here we go. Let's start with a quart. I think it's going to take about 2 quarts with an oil change. So 5. Yeah, I think it's going to take about 2 quarts. And I put the nut back in too, because the last time I kind of fucked that up. Yeah, what are you guys seeing? Probably my hairy butt arm. Okay, what am I at now? 40. I remember I used 2.5 each. So I just put almost. I'll put the gap in. No. Okay. Let me tell. Well, the good thing is that none of the oil came out, so I got something going for me right now. So I think they said don't screw it in. Bit like that. Because even if it's high, it's not going to make a difference because it's still got to get oil into the oil filter. Just barely showing on the dipstick. So 5-4. hoping that's enough because I calculated it. It said about 2.5. It's not draining out, so. Oh, let me check the oil. I'll be right back. Okay, after adding the correct oil, you should be good for a test start. Now, I did check it with it not screwed in, and it was a little overfilled, but that's okay, because it's got to fill the oil filter. So, are you guys ready for shit to get expensive? Let's see, there's oil in it. My dumbass didn't have the drain plug in this time. Now, this has an oil sump on it. I don't think it'll fill with oil until I turn it on, but I think that's just the fuel pump, but you know, doesn't hurt. Now this does have a low oil sensor. Okay. Now, let's go back. Stick to Jimmy. I may not have enough to do a full oil change today, but we'll find out. And that start where it kind of doesn't start. It's been doing that. I think it's the battery that's been going on it. These batteries I think are still new, or still old, still 2011. So we don't want to mix oils, but I have to have enough for the other machine. I mean, I can put a little bit more oil in it, just a tad if it needs it. Okay. I'm gonna do it. See how much it went down. So the oil filter is probably full. Oh, let's see. Put that in there. Open her up. And she's just gonna take a splash. So much oil I think I want to add to it. I guess then I gotta have to have enough for the other machine. But let that sit. Okay. I think this one I'm gonna lose in the oil. I think this one's gonna go right in the oil. Where's my fat fucking fingers? Can't get up in there. It's like unscrewing a sphincter. There we go. Motherfucker. Oh, I just dropped that in the bowl. Well, that's gonna stay there then. Ugh. Okay, let me restart that clip. There's one battery charging, one battery in the camera, and there's another fresh battery there because Olympus batteries fucking suck. So, where was I? I was cleaning the machine after I put my boots in the oil. That's great. Alright. I will say, I am very sorry, not very sorry for swearing. It's who I am. This is not a kid's channel. Nasties on the bottom of that thing. That's some sludge on the bottom of this. That doesn't do very good. I didn't clean the other dipstick. I didn't know to do that, but this one, it's a little magnet in the bottom of this. So nice and clean now. As you can see, it's still fucking pissing oil out, which kind of makes me mad, but whatever. This one obviously wants to go in easier because the skid plate isn't broke from the plow. I don't think we even used that moose plow this year. It's a very weird season. We really didn't even need the plow on the John Deere at all. Very few times. Okay. Now, if I can just... Actually, I might have not. I have to go that way, this way. Oh, maybe did I not have it? Oh, Jesus. This is how much of a retard I am, guys. I am not the best mechanical expert, to say the least, but I fucking try. There we go. Snug it up. Rock and roll. And... let's get you guys on the tripod. Go around here. Put camera in. Put camera here. Of course, this one actually might not... No, I can't get that off. Now, I'm gonna get this thing off. See, this one I like because it already has it on there. So I can just break it, I think. This one might be lefty-loosey, I think. But I just fucking did it. Oh, I hate these fucking things, guys. Oh, that's how retarded I am. I think that's tightening. God fucking damn it. This is how retarded I am. I can't get anything working right at all. I want to make sure that that's not. Actually, I want to have the... Normally this is supposed to come right off, but I don't have a 17mm nut. Oh my god, guys, I'm fucking scared right now. I don't want to fucking strip the end of that fucking thing. But it ain't coming off. I mean, now it is. If I didn't... There it goes. Fucking scared me. Oh, I'm making a fucking mess. I'm gonna put it right there. Okay. And see, that's weird because this oil filter is actually empty. I wonder if that's because I drained the oil out. I don't know how these things really work. But, so yeah. Okay. Ooh. Oh, hang on, dumbass. Trying not to fuck this up. Fucking caveman over here fucking shit up. Got quite a bit of threads on them freaking things. Holy shit. And then do the rest by torque. The only thing I can see the problem is over torquing them, but my rule of thumb is once it's snug, like that's not snug. Like I'm not feeling any pressure yet. Now I'm starting to. I don't think they need to be on too tight. So just check the other one. I am still gonna get another quart of oil though. Guys, back a little bit, and then it should just take. Theoretically, should take the rest of that. Let me move you guys up so I can see. I'm blocking the camera here. There we go. Alright. Alright. Theoretically, it should take the entire thing of this. Theoretically. And I did put the drain bolt back on. I learned that lesson the last time I did this. Because and then I had to go back to town. Because somebody drained brand new oil out of the machine. That was really expensive. That was an expensive flush. It was synthetic oil. I did that. But can't screw stuff up on the couch. Just let it slowly go in there. Shit. And I get the John Deere started up too. I get the John Deere. I still want a bigger tractor, but oh well. Not yet. Not in this situation. Probably have to move out. Oh god, this stuff's tedious. Alright, let's drink. That's all here. Theoretically, this should be fine.
How's your oil supply?
Good.
These little cans of gas, are they your oil mix, gas mix? Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
I'm gonna throw them in the truck though, so they make new.
They've been sitting too long, or?
Well, that, I mean, they're probably a couple years old. Easily. So, that's what I did last time I threw them in the truck. Can use a little more lubricity in the engine. That's enough.
Did you have extra filters?
No, I got them at the auto parts store. Not long. Okay. This part's all done.